high-end bundle will elevate your next project. Rich luxury fabric in shades of dark olive, cypress green, and cream. The 5 pieces for slow stitching or journal making include 100% silk dupioni. This is a safari type motif, embroidered. And this piece is actually 8 by 16 inches, so you get a little extra here. Okay. The rest of these pieces are 8 by 10 inches. Now this is a heavier type of fabric. It is a Chanel weave. It resembles African mud cloth. If you're familiar with the authentic African mud cloth that's undyed before they dye it, this is what this resembles to me. See that texture? See the nubbiness of that? This is the back. Stay to the end and I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to hand sew for those who want to use this for slow stitching. Okay? Now this is a piece of fabric that is simulated hand stitching. Okay, you can see the thickness of that. And then on the back, this is a lighter weight piece. It's not too heavy, probably medium weight. Almost like a semi-quilting effect on it. Okay. This is 100% linen. It's a tighter weave one. You can see I have a light overhead so you can see there's no transparency. So this will be a good piece for a base. This is the back. Okay. And this is a Chanel. Now this is like a cypress type color, but it's a warmer color, so it pairs really nice with the olive, the darker olive of the silk. That's the close-up. This is the back. This is really soft and flowy, so it's easy to sew. And we'll see how well those two colors kind of work together. Okay. Now let's do a hand stitch example for this. I'm using a size 8 embroidery needle with 3 strands of floss, embroidery floss. You can see that it's relatively easy to do. There you go. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.